As a beginner investor, it's super important that you know what you're doing, and I'm here to help you out with a small crash course on how to open a DMAT account, what is a DMAT account, and all the jazz behind it. And without further ado, let's move on to how you can start investing as a beginner in India. So here's a bit of a story time for you guys. So India had come up with the DEMAT account system in the year 1996 to trade on the National Stock Exchange. And today there's pretty much zero paperwork involved and everything's dealt with in an electronic form. There's no more physical issuing of share certificates. So essentially speaking, if you want to buy shares or sell shares from whatever company you want to, all you pretty much get is an entry in electronic form in your DEMAT account. As you can see, DMAT essentially translates to the dematerialized holding of stocks and securities, and here is how you can get your account today. So here's what you need to start your DMAT account. You'll need your Aadhaar card, which basically is social security, but for Indians you'll need your PAN card, which is your permanent account number for income tax purposes, and obviously your mobile number and your email ID. I gotta warn you guys though, as soon as you turn 18, please update these documents, because your PAN card, for example, they have two different PAN cards, one's for minors, and as soon as you turn 18 you get your actual legit PAN card you need to use to start your DMAT account. Because I was about to open my DMAT account a few days ago and I realized that I had forgotten to upgrade mine to the PAN card for those over 18, so now that has delayed my whole process. In addition to these, you will need document for address proof, aka your passport or your Aadhaar card, and you will also need to submit a photo ID, and this can be in the form of your driving license or your voter's ID. So here's a little bit about brokers to help you maybe choose what kind of broker you want, and a few examples of brokerage firms. Brokers are members of the stock exchange, and some of the prominent stock exchanges in India are the NSE, which is the National Stock Exchange, the BSE, the Bombay Stock Exchange, and MCX, the Multi-Commodity Exchange. And these stocks and commodity exchanges are managed and regulated by the SEBI, also known as the Stock Exchange Board of India. So anyways, coming back to the topic, brokers help you build your stock portfolio, and there are two types of brokers: normal brokers and the discount brokers. Normal brokers and discount brokers can vary in a few ways. For example, if you sign up with a normal broker, you are then assigned a relationship manager who is essentially a professional equipped to give you advice on investing and trading based on calculated research. Although the brokerage fee can be quite high because you have a relationship manager who is assigned to support you. Another plus of being signed up to a normal broker is that you can call them anytime during the day. Examples of normal brokers include ICICI Direct, Sharekhan, and IIFL. Discount brokers, however, have a fixed or a nominal brokerage rate, which is relatively low in comparison to obviously your normal brokers, but the cheap rates come with a few downsides. For example, you're not assigned a relationship manager who can probably help you out as a beginner, so I suggest that you go for a normal broker. And another downside is that they only offer email support. It takes at least 24 hours for them to reply to whatever question you have, and that can be a little bit of a downside. So anyways, a few examples of discount brokers are Zerodha and Upstocks. Although Zerodha has a really good rating, I had written a blog post based on how to start a DMAT account, and you can find the top 10 DMAT accounts you can sign up with in my blog post, and you can find the link to my blog on the description below. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and drop a like if you've been enjoying this video so far, and share it with your friends who have been wanting to start investing too, and let's all get financially free together. So once you sign up with a broker, may it be normal or discounted, they offer you with a web-based trading platform and a dedicated software for your device, may it be a computer and an application for your mobile. These brokers also allow you to access charts of the stock performance of different companies, news relating to the stock market, and they also give you ideas to trade, and this can be for short-term trading, long-term trading, or intraday trading. here comes the difference between having a DMAT account and having a trading account, because I mentioned both short-term and intraday trading, which can also be considered short-term, but it technically isn't. What is short-term trading and how is having a trading account different from having a DMAT account? So intraday trading includes the trades you have made within a day. Short-term trading includes trades that range from 1 day to less than 1 year, and anything you've traded and held for over 1 year falls under long-term trading. So obviously once you sign up with a broker, you own a trading account and a DMAT account. So on a trading account you can buy or sell shares within a day, and if you decide to hold whatever shares for more than a day, it gets transferred to your DMAT account, and that is the only difference between having a trading account and having a DMAT account. Another thing that you guys should keep in mind is about the risks that come along with trading every day, trading over a short term and trading over the long term. So obviously if you're gonna be an intraday trader, the risks involved are super high because the market is unpredictable. But if you're gonna be holding stocks for a long period of time, there's gonna be an overall capital growth, hopefully, and there's also gonna be a relatively lower risk involved. Short-term trading can range from medium to low risk, so that's another thing I'd recommend that you guys do. Opening a DMAT account is quite easy. All you have to do is get on whatever brokerage site you want to open your account on, and this involves 4 steps, I think. Step number 1 is to enter your details. Step number 2, based on whatever mobile number you give in, you get an OTP you need to enter, and for step number 3 you just need to upload your documents. And the final step is, after uploading, these details of your new DMAT account are sent to your registered email address, and that is it, my guys. It's so easy to create a DMAT account. And that is pretty much the end of this crash course, you guys. All you need to do is open your account and start investing, and hopefully I get my PAN card soon and I get to start investing too, because I cannot wait, you guys. I am so excited. Anyways, if you like this video, please drop it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and most importantly, don't forget to check my blog post out, because that is gonna have all the information that you will need as a beginner investor about how to open your DMAT account. So don't forget to check that out in the description below, and I'll see you guys next week.